Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with the illuminated LED star in the front grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Start it up. A rear view backup camera. A satin brown poplar wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 15,327 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.